Hey guys, and welcome back to today's world. And today, you guys are going to be learning something new today. Today, you guys are going to be learning how to do hula hoop on waves. I'm so excited to teach you because people like to watch and also people like to learn. So, we'll learn it today. But before we get started, you need to subscribe. Let's see if you can subscribe in 3 seconds, not 5, because you guys are subscribing in 5 seconds. So let's see if you can subscribe in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You subscribed? Well, I hope you did. So now let's begin. So there are going to be 3 steps to learn, and for the bonus, there are 2 tricks to learn. So let's start with the first step. First step is always the posture, because posture is very important. And so posture is going to be like a right leg front and bend, and your left leg should be straight and kind of like behind, but not like in the same angle, like the diagonal. And the distance shouldn't be too far, not too close, just medium, perfect. So this is how your posture should be like. And yeah, now let's move on to the second step. Second step is this. See, so basically one hand should be on this side and one hand should be on this side. And then you will be turning your body, not your whole body, just your upper part, not your leg. Right, left, right, left. Let's practice that. Right, left, right, left. Okay? And whenever you start to do hula hooping, you can also do it like 2 times before you start doing hula hoop. Okay, so we're doing this just to give you a set off, just to give you momentum. So that's the second step, and let's move on to the third step. The third step is always the fun part because 3 means fun. Yeah. So let me show. And this is the most important part because this is the part where we're going to learn to do the hula hoop. So basically there's a technique to do this where you'll just go front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back, forward back, forward back, forward back, front and back, front and back, front and back. But not too much like this because you know whenever you see someone hula hooping, no one can see that you're doing front and back. So just like a mini front and back, front and back. So whenever your hula hoop comes here, you'll just push it. And at the back also, whenever the hula hoop comes here, you'll just push it. Okay? So that's how you do it. And now let's move on to the bonus. Woo! I'm so excited to teach you the bonus because bonus means fun. So basically, first trick is that whenever your hula hoop is falling down, you might want to get to this posture like this. Right leg front and left leg front. I mean back, but it should be like straight line, and right leg bent and left leg not, kind of like around. Okay, so that, and then when it's coming near your hip, you will just bend down and just push like that. Bend and push. So that's the first trick. And so if you want practice, you can need to pause the video. But let's just move on to the second trick. Second trick is like, not basically a trick, but just stay calm, keep breathing. Nothing's gonna happen. Just stay calm. Don't be like, and just breathe like, yeah, just stay calm. Nothing's gonna happen. So now, let me repeat this all over again, just so that you can memorize it even more better. You know? First step, posture. Look, posture should be like right leg bent, front, and left leg should be straight, and it should be a bit behind, but it should be like in a diagonal, and the distance shouldn't be too far, not too close, just medium, perfect. So this is the posture, and then second step is, remember this part will give you some momentum. It will give you some momentum to do like this, and then the third step is the fun part, where you just go front and back, front and back, front and back, I don't think that you can see it, but no one should be seeing that. That's what you should do. I'm mainly front, back, front, back, front, back. And then the two bonus tricks are, the first trick is like whenever I find out, posture should be like this. When I come into your hips, when going down, you bend, and then you just push it, and then you should be coming back with you. And just stay calm, keep breathing, nothing's gonna happen, and yeah. So, and keep practicing and don't give up until you get it. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.